On our last episode, we have been in Port Maggie Harbor, a picturesque fishing village located on the Iveria Peninsula in County Kerry, Ireland. It serves as a key departure point for boat trips to Scaly Islands, including Scaly Michael. We have been also to Kerry Cliffs, located just 3 kilometers southwest of Port Maggie along the Scaly Ring in County Kerry. It has a breathtaking coastal landmarks, and the cliffs is towering over 1,000 feet or 305 meters above the Atlantic Ocean. They offer panoramic views of Scaly Islands and Puffin Islands. And for today's adventure, we are going to Valentia Island Lighthouse, which is just 10 kilometers away from the Kerry Cliffs. Look at the scenery in front of us. It's so beautiful. It's a feast for the eyes and incredibly relaxing. From here at the viewpoint along the road, we can see now the Valentia Lighthouse and its surrounding coastline. After 15 minutes of driving from Kerry Cliffs, we have reached this Valentia Island Lighthouse. Very beautiful place as well. I will show you the better view on the lighthouse. Valentia Island is a captivating destination off the southwest coast of County Kerry, Ireland. Situated along the renowned Ring of Kerry, the island is accessible via the Maurice O'Neill Memorial Bridge at Port Magee, or by a seasonal ferry from Cromwell Point to Knightstown, the island's main village. Valentia Island holds a prominent place in history as the eastern terminus of the first successful transatlantic telegraph cable in 1866, connecting Europe and North America. The island's heritage is further enriched by the discovery of 385-million-year-old tetrapod trackwise, offering insight into early vertebrate life on land. lighthouse stands on the site of a 17th century Cromwellian fort constructed in 1653 to defend the entrance to Valentia Harbor. It is a 15-meter high-cut stone structure offering panoramic views of the Atlantic Ocean on its scaly coast.
Miss the morning glaze, but the sunlight hits in so many ways. Grab my shades and hit the streets, no plan, chasing vibes.
Before I end this video, I just want to give a shout out to Ramsky9195. Thank you for watching on our last episode. Long live and God bless.